Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the no sound issue in Google. Fixing the no sound problem ensures you can enjoy online videos, music and other audio content without interruption. So let's get started. So launch the Google Chrome browser on your computer. So and go to the right corner of the browser window, top right corner, and click on three dots. And from the drop down menu, select settings. In the setting window, click on the privacy and security tab in the left side bar. Under privacy and security, click on site settings. Scroll down to the content section and click on additional content settings. So this is, click on it. Now click on sounds. Under default behavior, ensure that sites can play sound is selected. So this is selected. If the site can play sound option is already selected, then scroll down to customize behavior and look for the site where you are experiencing the number no sound issues. So this is youtube.com, and if the site is listed, so this is listed, click on the three dots and next to it and select remove from the menu. Click on it and that's it. And this should resolve the no sound issue in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel Kill the Skill. So please subscribe us. Thanks for watching this video.